Alright, so if your LD player starts lagging or dropping FPS after using it for a while, yeah, that's actually a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix FPS drops and keep your emulator running smooth even after long sessions. First, don't just minimize your emulator for hours. Close it completely and restart it. Memory builds up over time, and a quick restart clears that. Next, go into settings and give your emulator more RAM and CPU cores. If it's too low, performance drops after longer use. Make sure high FPS mode is enabled. This keeps frame rate stable during extended gameplay. Over time, cache builds up inside apps. Clearing it can fix slowdowns and stuttering. Outdated GPU drivers can cause FPS drops, especially after long sessions. Keep them updated for better stability. If FPS still drops, try switching between OpenGL and DirectX in settings. One usually performs better depending on your system. Too many background apps? Yeah, that can slowly eat up your RAM and cause FPS drops over time. Close anything you don't need. And yeah, make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS. It's one of the biggest performance boosts for emulators. If your game still lags after long use, try lowering graphics settings inside the game. That helps keep FPS stable longer. So yeah, that's how you fix FPS drops in LDPlayer after long use. Try these one by one and you should see a big difference.